This is the Obsbot Meet 4K, a webcam with an integrated Sony 4K sensor. With the 86-degree field of view, it allows you to capture more. With the advanced AI algorithm, the AI auto-framing will help not only for a single person, but multi-person experience. There are dual omnidirectional microphones to keep your sound clear and reduce noise. When you click the button, it'll activate the auto-framing feature. If you press and hold for 3 seconds, it'll activate or deactivate sleep mode. With the landscape close-up mode, it will auto-track your face and adjust for the situation or environment. As for the landscape upper body mode, it'll target from your upper body to your face for presentation video calls. Now in group mode, the AI auto-framing will expand or zoom out to cover any new additional participants in the video call. You can switch between autofocus or face focus depending on the situation. For example, if you don't plan on showcasing anything aside from yourself, you can have face focus selected to keep you clear and in focus all the time. But if you plan on bringing other objects or items into the image and need to shift the focus from item to item, as well as back to yourself, autofocus would be better suited for that. With HDR, it provides balanced light and clear contour with auto exposure. You can also select virtual backgrounds in 4K 30 frames per second mode. The Meet 4K captures 4K video at 30 frames per second and 1920 by 1080 Full HD at 60 frames per second. With the foldable magnetic mount, you can select from multiple angles to mount the camera. You can also switch the camera around and have it in portrait mode. And it's also compatible with most tripods on the market. With the privacy cover, you can easily cover the camera lens. This camera is plug and play, so it doesn't require any software to be installed to use. However, you can install the Obsbot webcam software to make use of additional features. I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.